right, guys, we are back for another week of 12 fiber gifts. I'm so excited to show you guys this week's gift. We are on week, I think this is 10. So we are nearing the end of the 2024 12 fiber gifts, but we still have a couple weeks left. So without further ado, I'm going to open this up. All right, this week we have the Corinne Lapierre. I think it's French. I can't say that. But it's a felting kit, Angels. They are super, super cute. I actually made 3 of them just to test out the kit. And I've done felting kits before, but I really love her kits. All of her kits are super, super cute. And we are so excited to have this as part of our 12 fiber gifts lineup this week. It will be 15% off starting on Friday. And run until the following Thursday. So get it and try it. Assign each one to one of your friends and have a felting party. But hope you guys get it and try it out, and we'll see you back next week. Bye.